The Atascocita Fire Department, located north of Houston, about 35 miles north of Houston off of Lake Houston. We service a population of about 85,000 people, and we run about 6,000 EMS calls a year in an area about 27 square miles. So we have 4 Frazer units that we run 24/7, but we do have a total fleet of 7 Frazer units. So the Frazer unit that we have is a 12-foot box that has the extra 4-inch ceiling, and it's mounted on a Ram 4500. We finally added all of the attributes that we wanted to the Frazer unit. So this is the 4th of its kind. It does have a lot of unique features. Most of them are to better support the staff and give them the tools that they need when they're on calls. It also has a lot in regard to safety, like the 6-point straps, the extra protection board, to keep people from flying into the wheel well. A great feature with the Lexan doors that pop up and help us restock the units a lot easier. We do have a complete 360 camera system that allows the driver as well as administration to see what's going on in the truck, around the truck, should there be an incident. But it also helps the driver in a safety mode where they can actually see around the truck. Should they be backing, turning, changing lanes, they can see all of that on a display inside the cab. The Frazer product is a high quality product. One of the #1 things that I love about Frazers is that they are built user-friendly for the medics. They have outstanding air conditioning, and in the South, that is, that's a game changer. Safety is one of the top things that we're looking for. We want to make sure that our employees are safe, the patients are safe when we're working in the back, especially when the unit's moving. So when we're going through and speccing with Frazer, it's important to us to know that they utilize an accredited checklist, if you will, that is the Triple K process and or CAS. That tells us that Frazer is building with safety first. The restraints are properly secured, things are properly padded, there are safety bars, proper step heights, things of that nature that go the extra mile to make sure that things are going to go well and our staff and patients are going to be safe. I've been in EMS for 34 years, and I first learned of Frazer in 1988 personally. All of the people we interact with work very hard, they're very customer service oriented, and we couldn't be happier. We've always chosen Frazer over the years because the reliability of the product and the customer service that goes along with that through the life of the unit is unmatched in the industry.